In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button color on Google Sites. Let's start by opening your site in the Google Sites editor. Make sure you're not just viewing the live site, but actually in the editing mode where you can change content and layout. You can usually tell you're in the right place if you see the editing toolbar and the panel on the right-hand side with options like Insert, Pages, and Themes. Now, before we jump into changing colors, it's important to understand how buttons work in Google Sites. Unlike some website builders, Google Sites does not let you change the color of a single button on its own. You can't select one button and make it red and another one blue independently. Instead, the color of your buttons is controlled by your site's overall theme. That means when you change the theme color, all your buttons and other accent elements, like links and some headings, will update together to stay consistent. With that in mind, look over to the right-hand panel and click on the Themes tab. This is where Google Sites groups all the styling options for your site, including fonts, backgrounds, and of course, colors. If you don't see themes, check that your browser window is maximized or try scrolling within that right panel. Once you're in the Themes section, select the theme you're currently using. When you click on it, you should see the theme name and just below it, a row of small color circles. These circles represent the preset color options that come with that theme. Each one is a different color scheme, and picking one will instantly adjust your site's accent color. Go ahead and click on one of those color circles. As soon as you do, Google Sites will automatically update all of your buttons and other accent elements across the entire site. This is a quick way to try out different looks. You can flip between a few options to see which one gives your buttons the contrast and visibility you want. If you need to match a specific brand color, you can go a step further. Next to those color circles, look for the paint bucket icon, which stands for custom color. Click that icon and a color picker will open. Here you can enter a hex code for an exact color match, or use the slider and picker to choose one manually. When you apply that custom color, your buttons and accents will update again, giving your Google site a consistent, on-brand appearance.